Hey guys, good morning. So we're doing another vlog today. I don't know what's going to be in the vlog. It could extend to a couple of days or it could be just today, depending upon how the day goes. But we're gonna do this. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are going to oil my hair now because बहुत दिन हो गए हैं. I was waiting for my shampoo to come from Nykaa and I ordered it on the Nykaa pink sale. I don't remember shampoo पे कोई discount था कि नहीं, but there were a few things that I ordered that were needed and Nykaa की डिलीवरी वैसे बहुत फास्ट है. Usually it comes in a couple of days. Usually the thing comes the next morning as well. बट बिकॉज द सेल वाला जो चीज़ होता है उसमें यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट दे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो बिकॉज बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स आते होंगे आई एम श्योर. सो आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर इट एंड इट वॉज सपोज टू कम टुडे. और मैं 2-3 दिन से अपना हेड वॉश को एक्सटेंड करे जा रही थी कि कल आ जाएगा कल आ जाएगा. इट वॉज डेटेड फॉर द 25th विच इज़ टुडे. तो आज भी नहीं आया. तो अभी सुबह उठते ही मैंने जेप्टो ऑर्डर किया बिकॉज लाइक आई कांट गो एनी फर्दर विदाउट दैट. So I'm going to use this shampoo today that I ordered from them, the hyaluronic L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo. This is for dehydrated hair and I hope it hydrates my hair as well. I hope it hydrates my hair. So this is what I'm going to use today. I have used this before. I was not very happy with it. But मेरे first perceptions हमेशा अजीब से होते हैं products को लेके because I am so used to using what I was using before. So मेरे लिए difficult हो जाता है to assess a new product very quickly. But ये मेरे को याद है कि मैंने किया था. I was not very happy at the moment. But आज try करके देखते हैं. मुझे ऐसा feeling आ रहा है कि आज मुझे ये पसंद आ जाएगा. ये bowl है मेरे पास स्टील का. इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा सीव कर लेंगे इसको कोकोनट ऑयल को. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's do it like this, okay? थोड़ा सा ही चाहिए और ये एकदम ऐसे क्लीन होके बाहर आ जाता है. Hopefully you guys can see it. So this is the coconut oil now and I'm going to use a carrier oil which is a castor oil now, which is this castor oil. This is by Soulflower is the name of the brand. इस टाइम पे मेरे बालों को बहुत नरिशमेंट की ज़रूरत है. सो आई एम गोइंग विद दिस. तो ये थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल है और इसमें हम थोड़ा सा कैस्टर ऑयल डाल देंगे. थोड़ा सा और डाल देते हैं. और इससे क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दिस, व्हेन यू अप्लाई दिस, यू इट जस्ट गेट्स मोर नरिश्ड. योर हेयर गेट्स मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर, मोर लाइटर, more stronger, more nourished, more shinier, and this is our favorite combination. So we're gonna go ahead with this. I'll just mix this a little bit like this and it's mixed already and that's it. So usually मैं बाल अपने सीधे कर लेती हूँ before this, but अभी बाल इतने अजीब से हो रहे हैं that I don't want to use any comb on my hair. So let's start. With kids in the house, it is so difficult to make sure that everybody is quiet because how will you tell your 2-year-old that I'm making a video, please be quiet? So it takes such a toll on me sometimes that I have to just keep telling them chup ho jao, chup ho jao, chup ho jao, and it just it doesn't happen. And the poor thing will sit with me and will be like हाँ चलो मैं चुप हूँ, but वो छोटा है उसको नहीं समझ में आता. But it's quite fun to do it this way. But कभी कभी सर दर्द हो जाता है करते करते. So now I'm applying the oil throughout my hair. अच्छे से इसको फिंगर्स से हम अंदर तक पहुंचा रहे हैं बालों के. This part of my hair, like the bottom part of my hair, also becomes very rough and it gets quite wrinkly. So ये अजीब सा हो जाता है. So यहाँ पे मैं अच्छे से ऑयल लगा रही हूँ. I'm just gonna put this in a clutcher. This is the one that I have. I ordered this from Meesho, this clutcher. It's very good. Quality is fab. Here we go. होप आई एम नॉट लुकिंग वियर्ड, बट दिस इज इट. अब हम आपको मिलते हैं हेड वॉश के बाद. ओके ओके गाइज, सो द हेयर इज राइट नाउ वेट. I have washed my hair and I was just doing my upper lips, and that's when I thought I will do it with you guys. So upper lips are almost done. Now I have to make sure that I do my eyebrows. You can see it's really bushy and really dirty right now. Let's do this. Let's fix it. I was thinking of going to the salon and getting it done because now I'm vlogging. I have to, you know, all the time do this. But I don't think I can go to the salon because it's not my cup of tea. So I will do it when I go it, but abhi ke liye thoda clean karne ke liye I'm gonna do it. So let's grab my mirror. Mera shisha dena wahan se. So here we go. Just a disclaimer here, if any of you young girls are watching out there, please make sure that you do not do this alone or at home, because you can just mess up your eyebrows. Do not do it at a young age. Agar experienced ho to kar lo, but if you are somebody who has never touched your brows or who do not know how to use a razor on your face, do not attempt it alone. Okay. और इसके लिए स्टेंसिल्स आते हैं, जो आप स्टेंसिल को यहाँ पे रख के आप उसको पहले शेप कर लो ब्राउज का, एंड देन यू कैन ईजिली टेक द रेस्ट ऑफ इट आउट. बट बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर मैनी ईयर्स एंड आई डू नॉट केयर. The point is, I do not care. If you are somebody that after doing it you will be like, what the hell did I just do? Please do not do it. So I do not care so much so about it. So that's why I just go about it के थोड़ा सा शेप ऊपर. Every time I go to the salon she tells me कि आपने क्या करा हुआ है, आपने क्या करा हुआ है. Then she beautifully shapes it और मैं फिर उसको ख़राब कर देती हूँ because I'm too lazy to go to the salon. That's the point. But if you guys know it how to do it, go ahead. But इस वीडियो को देख के इंस्पायर मत होना कि पहली बार आज हम अपने आईब्रोज करेंगे. It is something that you need a lot of experience to do it. Okay, just a disclaimer. So this top portion is now pretty clean for me. I'll do this also and then I'll go in with the second eyebrow, like the bottom of it also. Vlogging without fan is a crime, and I have put on a mic here also, but I still don't want the fan to like disrupt the voice, but it's literally not doable, man. I'm sweating left, right and center. Let's just do this and get over with it. Okay, now so the eyebrows are done. Let's just shape them a little bit. So we are just shaping the eyebrows here, and it honestly just instantly starts looking better. And this is just the shaper, the spoolie that I'm using, and not the other side. So अभी सिर्फ हम shape कर रहे हैं इसको, because I'm just trying to see how bad it's looking. I'm not joking. It is not going to look the best of it, but it's manageable. And whenever I go to the salon, I might or I might not get it done. I'm not promising that this is going to be a ritual, but मेरा अभी ना मन करता है कि मैं करा लूँ, because I think honestly the truth is that every other day doing this is also a task. So I don't know, but for now my face is looking much better and much clean. Let me just check the upper lips as well once. Even the upper lips are pretty nicely done. So this is done, guys. This is the razor one more time that I was using, in case you guys want to see. If you want a link, let me know. Now that the eyebrows are done, I've brushed everything out. I'm just gonna apply my cream, and I will tell you today I have started liking this cream, the Cosrx. If you guys have seen my first, is there a hair here? If you guys have seen my first vlog that I made of this, there's Cosrx on that, and I said that I was not really liking this product, but I can tell you that I am not so unhappy with it also now. I'm actually enjoying the product. So doable है, but as I said last time, I cannot take a lot of quantity. I take normal size only. I take just this much, and then we go ahead with this satisfying experience, and I'm just gonna quickly apply on my face, eyebrows, oof, just a little on my neck. That's it. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit. I think we have a plan to like go out somewhere. I'm not sure. हो सकता है हम कहीं जाएं अभी. I'm not sure about it, but we'll see. We'll decide that, and I will keep you in touch. Okay, guys. So this is the shirt that I'm wearing. I got this from Linking Road, from what I remember. Yeah, I did get it from Linking Road. What does that mean? I got it from Linking Road. So अभी कोई मेकअप नहीं कर रहे हम. ये लिपस्टिक और ये आईलाइनर लगा के I'll be good to go, because बाल भी गीले सब है, तो अभी हम श्योर नहीं है कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, but we'll be heading out. One and only recommendation if you want for a lipstick, this is the color. This is the Bobbi Brown bittersweet shade. There's no other lipstick that I wear like ये अभी भी ख़त्म नहीं है, because this is a full size, but this is like the best lip gloss, lip color, lip whatever. This is like too good. Then this is the tattoo liner that I showed you guys last time. Okay, this is done now. Yeah. That's it, guys. और earrings हमने कौन से पहनने हैं? I have to think about it. I'm thinking of going with silver ones today, so let me show you those as well. ये थोड़ा ऊपर होना चाहिए, है ना? These are the ones that I'm wearing. Such a cool pair of earrings. Cute, cute, cute. Hair ka situation is such a mess, because I think when I'll come back home, then I'll just straighten my hair. At least धुल गए हैं और सीधे हो जाएंगे बाल. So that would be it. कभी कभी मुझे लोग कहते हैं आवाज़ नहीं आती है. मैं बोल ही इतना धीरे रही हूँ, कैसे आवाज़ आएगी? That's it, that's it, that's it. What chapal should I be wearing? Okay, looking cute and nice. These are the earrings, by the way. Yeah, I love them. बहुत पुराने हैं, and I love these. I'm gonna quickly get a pair of shoes, and I'll be back. Okay, now सब कुछ इतना normal है, bland है, तो हम आज ये झम वाली चप्पल पहन लेंगे. सारे stones ही stones हैं. पहन लेते हैं और चलते हैं. इससे पहले कि रात तो हो चुकी है. It's already 7 o'clock. We might just go for a dinner and be back also. But it's Friday night and it calls for a night out. So we're gonna do that. That's it. Let's see where we go. You are coming with me. Come on. Happy birthday. Wow. Thank you. Okay guys, so we are back home, and I'm gonna just quickly straighten my hair, and I'm just gonna take off a little bit of eyeliner that's here. This Simply Nam ka ye hai makeup remover fabric jo hai, and I'm just gonna, I've wet it already, and just gonna like nicely. I'm gonna clean it. This is quite good. I think this was for about 900 rupees ka ye tha, and this is really good. Like, it will take off your makeup very very quickly, and it's very soft on the skin. Anyways, so I will see you guys next time. मैं करती हूँ अपनी straightening और हम फिर सोने जाते हैं. We have a little movie that we want to watch, so we'll do all of that and then we'll say goodnight to each other. But I will say goodnight to you guys right now. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.